Come on in. Hello, hello. It is very nice to see you. My name is Lee, and I am the one that's going to be doing your annual physical today. Are you having any active concerns at all? Good, good, good. Glad to hear it. Any new medical conditions, or are you taking any new prescription medications since we've last seen you? Just for, okay. Like a sinus infection. Gotcha. You're on your final day. Okay, yeah, no problem at all. Are you having any fever or chills today? You're not feeling ill? Okay. And for the annual physical examination, you're comfortable with a full head to toe exam, just kind of the basic stuff, but pretty comprehensive overall. Okay. And any change to your smoking status? How about recreational drug use? Any change in your relationship status or sexual activity? Okay. Any changes to your pharmacy on file or insurance? Okay. Perfect. Let's see here. And then everything else, it looks like they addressed at the front desk. No new allergies that we're aware of. All right. So then what we're going to do is we are going to start off just with some vital signs, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the remaining part of the examination. It looks like they set up my side table perfectly, so we should be all good to go. But do you have any questions at all? It looks like you're all gowned up and everything is nice and covered, but you're fine with the exam and all that. Okay. And then no questions? All right, just making sure. Let me go ahead and grab some gloves here. We'll just kind of do some general sanitation to start. But how have you been? How's the family? Good. Love to hear it. All right. Just gonna put the gloves on. And we will start with a simple blood pressure check. Just going to wrap this around your arm here. And does that feel nice and snug? Good. Okay. Just want to make sure it doesn't fall off of you. All right. Give me 1 second here just to check your blood pressure. Just going to put this right underneath you here. Let's see. Okay. Blood pressure appears normal. I'm just gonna fix my hair here just so it doesn't get in the way. Alright, let me get that extra air out for you. So then you should be able to just kind of slide your arm out. There you go. Alright, blood pressure looks good. Just going to pack this away and we'll do our temperature check. And I'm just going to get an alcohol wipe ready to sanitize that. Right. on my sterile station here. And this is for, this is a sublingual temperature, so this is going to just go right underneath your tongue. Just gonna be there for a few seconds. There you go. Perfect. No fever, so that's awesome. Let me just get rid of this. Just sanitize this, and then we can get started on your annual. We'll just throw this out. Yep, it's kind of a nice, peaceful day. The sun is shining, so that's always good. On the mental health, as I'm sure you can understand. All right. Temperature and blood pressure. How tall are you, by the way? Okay. And what is your weight? Okay. All right. So now we are just going to start with your physical examination. I am just going to take a quick look at your scalp and just make sure everything looks nice and healthy with your hair follicles. If you have any concerns or you need a break for whatever reason, you just let me know, okay? All right, perfect. Are you noticing any itchiness or excessive flakiness recently? Yeah, definitely sometimes with the weather for sure. Hair looks pretty healthy overall, though. We'll take a look in the back here as well. Okay. Yeah, general inspection of your head actually looks really good. Let me put this way here. I'm just going to measure your head circumference. So give me 1 second here. Go. All right. Across there. Perfect. Front. Perfect. I'm just going to press on your head. You let me know if anything hurts. Any pain? Okay. I'm going to press on your face now. I know with you recovering from a sinus infection, you might have a little bit of tenderness, but everything good? Alright, does it hurt at all when I press on this ear? No? Okay, what about this ear? Okay, good. Grab my pen light. If you could look right straight at my finger here. Just going to make sure your pupils are pretty reactive. I'm just going to grab your eyelash here. Quick look. Eyelashes look healthy. I'm going to take a quick look at your nose too. Okay, turbinates look good. Very good. I'm going to take a quick look in this ear. Okay, last part is just to make sure everything in your mouth looks healthy, in the back of your throat, your teeth, your gums, that sort of thing. So, if you wouldn't mind, you're just going to say, ah. Perfect. Just, ah. Just going to move your tongue to the side over here. Okay. Teeth and gums look healthy. Back of the throat looks healthy as well. Okay, good. All right. Let's get rid of that. And then I do just want to assess sensation here. If you could keep your eyes closed for me, just let me know when you feel this on your face. Good. Perfect. I do also want to assess your hearing, so if you wouldn't mind closing your eyes for me. Perfect. And you let me know when you hear ringing, what side you hear it on, and when it stops, okay? So you'll close your eyes for me. Good. 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 Perfect. Next, I am just going to cover one of your eyes, and you let me know how many fingers I'm holding up. Good. 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 We'll cover your other eye. Good. 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 Awesome, awesome. Gonna check your hair. All right. Next thing I am going to do is, let me see if I can find it actually. I just want to assess your lung strength and function. So you are just going to breathe into this little device for me. Okay, let me get this restarted here. All right, if you wouldn't mind, yep, you put it right there. And then take a deep breath in and out. Good job. Take a deep breath in and out. Good job. Take a deep breath in and out. Perfect. All right. I am just going to make note of your values there. Okay, now we're going to do a quick heart and lung examination. Is it okay if I untie your gown? Cool. Thank you. And of course, I'll tie it right after we're done here. It shouldn't be too long. Just a general inspection here again, making sure I don't see anything suspicious. Okay. Okay. Let me take a quick listen to your heart and your lungs. So give me 1 second here. I'm just gonna make sure I don't hear any murmurs. Yep, you're just breathing normally right now as I'm listening to the different valves. Okay, and if you would, do me a favor, take a deep breath in and out. 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 Very good. All right, heart and lungs sound beautiful. Let me get your gown retied here for you. I know it's so hard to figure out, like, generally. I don't know why they make it so complicated, even for us, to like figure out how to tell patients how to use them, but don't worry, I got you. Next up is just going to be abdominal exam, okay? Awesome. And then you are almost done here. All right, move my station over there. I'm just going to lift this a little bit. We'll start with a general inspection of your abdomen. Okay. Any constipation or diarrhea concerns, abdominal pain? Okay. Just want to make sure. I'm going to take a quick listen to your bowel sounds. Okay. Good. Next, I am just going to press on your abdomen. You let me know if anything hurts too much. Next step will be percussion. No pain or discomfort, right? Good. All right, I'm just going to take a quick look at your legs here, making sure everything looks good and that you're not having any swelling. Same thing with your arms. Let me see real quick. Can I see this arm, please? Perfect. I'm just going to quickly do a neurological assessment of your reflexes. Yep, just relax as much as you can. Okay. This arm now. Okay, I'm just going to do your knees. Okay, there's your ankle. Okay, awesome. Reflexes appear intact throughout the entirety of the body, which is great. All right. The last thing that I am going to need from you actually is I am just going to leave you a sample cup just to leave me a little bit of urine just to make sure you don't have a urinary tract infection. So I'm going to leave this cup here for you. We'll send that off to the lab. I am also going to have to order you some blood work, kind of standard stuff to make sure, we check your cholesterol, your sugars, that sort of thing. So I'll make sure all those orders are in for you. Do you have absolutely any questions, though, regarding leaving the urine sample or getting blood work sometime? Everything seems to make sense. Perfect, yeah. So if you want, I am actually going to give you some privacy. You are more than welcome to get dressed. At checkout, they're going to give you the script for the lab orders for you to get at an outside lab facility. And then if you make your way to the bathroom, there'll be a cup with your name on it. I'll have the MA transfer it there for you. And then you'll be all set to go today. Oh, it was no problem at all. Pleasure seeing you. And then I will be in touch with you if we need to discuss any of the labs. Perfect. All right. Have a good day.